Hello, Crazy Rebecca dances with pitbulls. I am seriously peeved. Seriously. I just spent all this time. I did 7, count them, 7 journals, and I couldn't get the video to save, nor could I get it to upload directly to YouTube. So it's gone. So, whatever. I thought I would just show you what I did, but you don't get to see me doing it. Feel like I could just cry or drink or something. Okay. This is the whole theme. Okay, this started with this map origami paper and some gears, so it's steampunkish, and of course ye old Tim Holtz paper dolls. So this is one. They're not all like that, but they're, yeah, you'll see, just hang on. 1, 2. This is Hemingway. And if you'll notice here, I made him a walking stick with a bead. Yes, it's 3-dimensional. He didn't get a word. Does he need a word? Smitten. He is smitten. Ha! Yeah. This guy is sitting on a bench. Notice I was using this stuff up. And the gears are everywhere. He believes in daydreams. And I was going to oh my gosh. I was looking for my this. And you will see why in a sec. I gotta get that closer than that. It looks like I'm messing it up, but trust me, I'm a professional. So that'll teach me not to think, you know, I can do a great big long video like that, because obviously I can't. Run the risk of losing the whole thing. I don't know if I just use the plain camera. I'm afraid to try. I really am. Okay. He's shabbily outlined. That's my sort of my journaling by 5s. Okay. Okay, I put in this one, I put the 2 extra Tesla quotes, about 369 and something about heal. The truth we can heal, we must learn again. Medicine is in our hearts and also in the heart of that which we call the universe. Nikola Tesla. Well, did you see my Tesla live stream? It was hilarious and it was fun and it was very satisfying. Definitely very satisfying. Okay, this is in the Dark Horse. And I was saying, you know, this isn't Wild West, but it's same era. So there's the danged old gears. I like that one too. Okay, Creepy Girl broke tradition. She used no maps and she used no paper dolls. She did, however, use some inchies with eyeballs. So I'm calling that a win. Because, yeah, how can it not be? And that's my Haunted Bridge. And I have 9.5 pages left to do in this book. I'm going to leave that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. This is a half. 8.5. 8.5. 8.5. 8.5. 9. There was something else. 9. Maybe not. 8.5 or 9. Okay, más o menos. I think that will be done. That will be done. Oh, I want to put this on here. I lost it before. You didn't get to hear me sing. Da da dun 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 da 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 dun da dun dun da da dun da dun 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 da 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 da. And let me be. I'll be right back. I even did a page in my moon journal. Wasn't the London map, but it was a map, and it says love you to the moon and back, and I used that stamp. And yes, some ink of gold. And I'm just really sorry you didn't get to see me do all that. And I know I had one pencil, pen, but it's gone. I forgot to write it down. See, it's a good thing. I guess there's good and bad in everything. 16 was 7, count them, 7 journal pages. Journal pages. Steampunk themed. Mostly. And I started my wish list. I want Tim Holtz snarky snippets. They're these things, but they're snarky. I want them. And I need a re-inker of the darkest blue for my this. Better write midnight blue. And now, if you missed it, give you a quick flip of my Tesla, and you can watch me do something on that too, because I was going to do this. I'm going to grunge up the edges. Whoa. I laid it right in the, oh my goodness, I laid it right in the ink today. Yep, that's how I roll. I'm gonna stoop it. Okay. Oh, I know. After this short video here, I'm going to put the pictures from Mrs. Howell's class. She sent them to me. Okay, so be watching for that. But let me just flip. Okay, we got to put. Where's my big fat one? Who took my big fat washi tape? I could use this. You know which one I mean, don't you? No. This ain't the one I mean, but this is even better. This one. Stop. Somebody stop me. That'll work for now. Okay, so now here's my quick clip. No. But seriously. Needs more pictures. I need some more quotes. I need to write a story. Put this in there. So, anyways. That's been my day. What a day. So, please subscribe. I need friends. I enjoy Tesla. I promise not to cut this up though, Melissa, and stick in that book. Because you know, I know you're thinking she'll do that. Yeah. Anyway, onward to Mrs. Howell's class. I'll see you next time.